guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I take notes. So in this case, today I did some chemistry work, and that's what I'll be showing you guys. First thing that I do when I take notes is I write out my header with a black calligraphy pen. Today I'm using the Tombow Fudenosuke in the soft tip. Today's topic was periodic trends, so that's what I wrote out. Once I write that, I use a highlighter to draw a bar to show what color I'm using for the lesson. It helps me find a specific page much faster later on when I'm flipping through. I find that if I turn the paper sideways, I get a much straighter line. I typically organize my notes into subsections. So in this case, the first topic was effective nuclear charge. So I wrote that down, and then I drew a box around it using the thin tip of my mild liner to make it stand out. I don't really have a specific method to my note-taking. I just usually write down what's important. So in this case, I was using both the handouts that we got in class and the PowerPoint that was available online. When I write down an example or a diagram, to make it stand out, I use a gray pen. Typically, I use the Muji 0.5 in gray because I'm basic. When it comes to highlighting, I try my damnedest to not over-highlight. If I follow the principle of highlight what you think is important, I'd highlight the whole page. They're notes after all. They're meant to be concise and contain only the important stuff. Instead, I usually highlight key terms, vocabulary, or dates if relevant. If there's a really important fact, I might underline it with a thin tip of my mild liner, but I try to avoid doing that because it just clutters up the page unnecessarily. Oh, also, the highlighter that I'm using here is from the newest pack of mild liners. It's a really pretty teal color that I love. Like I said, I draw my diagrams along with my examples and equations in gray pen. There really isn't any particular reason for this, other than the fact it looks pretty. And at least for me, pretty notes are notes that I'm more likely to reread and study of. Sometimes I like to organize the information into tables or lists. Tables work especially well when I'm comparing two different things. So in this case, I'm comparing the properties of metals and nonmetals. Now, because everything I'm doing is fairly repetitive to explain, I sped up the video, which is why it's so herky-jerky right now. Now, to be honest, I really don't think there's that much to the way that I take my notes. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have seen this 1,000,001 different times. Still, this video was really fun to make, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Stay subscribed for more.